barbecue sauce. It's a staple in almost every kitchen. But most store-bought versions are full of sugar, corn syrup and preservatives. Today we're going to make 4 delicious barbecue sauces from scratch. Healthier, cheaper and bursting with real flavor. All of these can be made in under an hour with ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. So let's replace the bottled sauces with homemade versions your family will love. First up, the classic Smoky Tomato BBQ Sauce. Thick, sweet and smoky, perfect for ribs, chicken or roasted vegetables. As usual, you will find the recipe down in the description. Combine tomato paste, vinegar, brown sugar and molasses in a small saucepan. Add Worcestershire sauce, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper. Simmer over low heat for 20 minutes. Stir occasionally. Taste and adjust seasoning. Add more molasses for sweetness or more vinegar for tang. Compared to store-bought sauces, this version has far less sugar, no corn syrup and no artificial preservatives or flavors. And it costs only a fraction of a bottled sauce. Next, honey mustard BBQ sauce. Tangy, sweet and smooth. Ready in about 10 minutes. Whisk mustard, honey and vinegar together. Add brown sugar, smoked paprika, garlic powder and salt. Simmer gently for 5 to 10 minutes to blend the flavors. Store-bought honey mustard sauces often contain stabilizers and extra sugars. Making your own lets you control sweetness, flavor and texture, and it saves you money. Now, spicy Chipotle BBQ Sauce. Smoky, sweet and spicy. You can adjust the heat to your taste. Combine all the ingredients in a saucepan. I'm using a Chipotle sauce since I had it sitting around and it had to go. Normally I would use Chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, which have a better flavor and a little bit more kick than the Chipotle sauce. But I had the Chipotle sauce sitting around from another recipe and I hate wasting food. Taste and adjust heat by adding more chipotle or sugar. Simmer over low heat for 20 minutes, stir occasionally. And while that sauce is simmering away, don't forget to like this video if you find it useful, and of course subscribe so you don't miss another episode. Then blend with an immersion blender for a smooth texture if using whole chipotle peppers. Homemade allows you to control spice level and flavor with no hidden sugars and no preservatives. Finally, an Asian-inspired barbecue sauce. Sweet and savory with an umami kick, perfect for grilled meats, vegetables or even tofu. Again, combine all the ingredients in a small saucepan. Simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes until slightly thickened. Taste and adjust sweetness or heat as desired. Caution, this stuff tends to stick, so pay attention. Store-bought Asian barbecue sauce often contains MSG and preservatives. Homemade is fresher, healthier and much more flavorful. And if you're looking for more homemade alternatives to store-bought items, I'll link my playlist in the end. All of these sauces store well in airtight containers. Most last 2 to 3 weeks in the fridge. For longer storage, pour them into freezer-safe containers. They freeze beautifully for up to 3 months. 4 incredible barbecue sauces made at home, healthier, fresher and made in less than an hour. No preservatives, no corn syrup and way more flavor than any store-bought bottle. Try them all and up your next barbecue.